trying to hold my breath. You set off a dream, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand, will you share this with me? Starting without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. Those words won't cut me down. I'm gonna stick back, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Now 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me.
Kings and queens, politicians praise my name. For 10 years, I chased their cheers. Crazy speed, always needed more. But when I stop and I see you here, I remember who all this was for. Just the moment you're beautiful. Searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. Buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming from your own energy. It's in this moment, don't care what you're down. You're feeling dream, can't you see? Getting closer. Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's wide open. It's a picture in the paper and you're wonderful. There's something wicked in the brick of every boss holding on to you.